In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade to Claude AI Pro step by step. This is a quick walkthrough if you want to move from the free plan to the paid Pro plan. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged in to my Claude account. From the main Claude screen, I'll move to the bottom left corner and click on my profile name or initials to open the account menu. Then I'll click Settings. Claude's current upgrade flow is through Settings and in Greater Than Billing. Once the Settings window opens, I'll click Billing. In this section, I'll look for the Upgrade Plan button and click it to continue. After that, Claude will take me to the upgrade page. Here, I'll click Get Pro Plan. On the next screen, I can choose between monthly and annual billing, depending on which option I want. Next, I'll enter my payment information and then click Subscribe to complete the upgrade. Once the payment goes through, my account will be upgraded to Claude Pro. The Pro plan currently includes more usage than the free plan, priority access during busy times, early access to some new features, and monthly or annual billing options depending on region. And that's it, I've successfully upgraded to Claude AI Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.